I want to remind you guys level yang kita tengok di video sebelum ini. Okay, there were a few important levels yang saya telah mention, and I have a few screenshots dari video kemarin. Okay, the first screenshot is this. We were looking at about 100k, the 100k level. Ada 3 level penting yang saya mention. 100k, 95k and all the way down at 90k. Okay, but I emphasized on this 100k level. Kenapa? Sebab we were expecting a pullback to the 3.8 Fibonacci level, which is 99k, just a little bit, sedikit di bawah 100k level, almost exactly right where it is. And if you look at the chart hari ini, look at where Bitcoin pulled back to. Right, look at where we pulled back to. Exactly to the 3.8 level, and we pumped. So touch the 3.8, sedut liquidity sikit, dan dia telah sambung pump. So what is the current plan now, dan apakah trade yang saya sedang tengok, yang saya sedang monitor, yang saya rasa akan bagi profit besar kepada saya? Not for you guys. Ini bukan video untuk you guys tiru. Saya bukan financial advisor. I say in every single video, this is just my personal opinion. So first things first, right now if we see for some reason masih ada orang yang sedang cuba short, right? We see liquidity building up above the new all-time high, 109k, ada 86 juta liquidity orang cuba short. I don't know why they're doing it. Right? I don't know why. Mungkin saya nampak, maybe they see something I don't see, right? Tapi apa yang saya nampak is we're still going up. Right? Itu apa yang saya nampak lah. That's what I see. So, looking at the bubbles, a little bit mixed, right? Selepas Trump pump kemarin, hari ni Melania, Trump's wife, telah launch token sendiri. Well, rumors say that it was Barron, which is their son, yang telah launch ini tanpa pengetahuan team Trump, which I don't know. Saya tak tahu apa nak percaya, sebab in my mind, kenapa Melania nak launch token sendiri sedangkan Trump baru launch token sendiri? It's dia membuat dua token ni berlawan lah, competition, right? But then again, they could both be making money, right? Definitely both of them made money, so this could just be them trying to suck up some liquidity from the market. Okay, so saya ada position di Trump. Melania saya tak beli. Right, I did buy a little bit of Trump, got some decent gains, and I'm going to continue to hold it until after the inauguration. Just see what happens. But right now, look at the market. Right, nothing much has moved. Okay, ada juga a little bit of Link, AV, Algo, Hex, SPX, a little bit moving here and there, but majority masih sideways. Majority masih sideways, masih turun. Okay, and I said in my TikTok video that the market, the money is flowing into these big political meme coins. Trump, Melania, right? 400,000 account baru telah dibuka untuk beli Trump token. 400,000 new retail telah buka account untuk beli Trump token. Imagine how crazy that is. A lot of new retail has entered the market, and they have entered into a Trump meme coin. Okay, so what the question you have to ask yourself now is bukan should I buy Trump? The question is, what is this new retail going to go after next? What is the next play yang mereka akan masukkan duit kepada? Okay, in my opinion, right, ada dua. Number one is easily accessible coins, right? Coins that are on Robinhood, Moonshot, Coinbase, yang ada akses kepada capital besar, yang senang untuk user baru akses, right? Like Trump coin, dalam sehari dia launch di semua centralized exchange, right? All the retail have access to it, and it pumped like crazy. So crypto yang ada easy access, right? Most likely meme coins, sebab retail baru dah rasa profit dari meme coin, mereka akan nak lagi. Okay, so the easily accessible and the mainstream meme coins might be where the money flows into next. The second thing to keep in mind is the Trump team has made a lot of money, right? The Trump team has made a lot of money. And where might they put their money into? We have to look at what Trump is actually holding. So if we look at what Trump is actually holding, I think I sent a picture, when did I send it? I sent a picture, last night. Yeah. So World Liberty Finance, which is basically Trump's company lah yang beli crypto, they're holding Ethereum dan mereka telah beli banyak Ethereum. Okay, so there could be something they see that we don't, right? Ethereum has been moving very slowly, and the fact that they are buying up Ethereum could indicate that the bottom is in, right? And there could be some movement from Ethereum quite soon. So we have to pay attention also to the Ethereum ecosystem. Now, saya bukan nak cakap apa, tapi kalau kita tengok dua narrative yang saya telah sebut ni, number one, mainstream meme coins, number two, Ethereum ecosystem, dan kita combine dua narrative ni, what do we get from it, right? What is a mainstream Ethereum ecosystem meme coin? I'm not saying anything. You guys boleh fikir sendiri. You guys boleh fikir sendiri. I'm not going to say anything else. Okay, so itu saja saya nak sebut, saya nak cakap. Let's open up the charts and look at what the actual game plan is. So right now, again, we are in uncharted territory. We're at new all-time highs. We don't know where price could go. For now, kita dah reject di 110, right? You guys boleh tarik Fibonacci extension ke or whatever to get your next price target. But where should I pull? Sini. But the fact is that we don't know where it could go into, where it could go up to. Okay, so looking at Fibonacci extension, we're looking at about 127, yeah, for 1618. We could go up there. We could go up even higher. We could not even make it there. But there's a few levels that you should be keeping an eye on. Again, bila kita masuk uncharted territory, one of the things that I like to keep an eye on is number bulat 110, 120, 130, right? Psychological levels. You can also combine it with the liquidity levels that we see here. For now, belum ada banyak liquidity level dekat atas lagi. We only have this one right here, about 110 lah, yeah, 110, and you can combine it with Fibonacci extensions. But for now, Bitcoin can become a little bit hard to trade unless we get a pullback. Okay, so for now we are still in an uptrend. Okay, kita dah break previous structure ini. This structure pun kita I wouldn't say we've broken it sebab belum ada candle close di atas ni, but it looks like we may break this key structure quite soon. But what's important ialah kita telah break key structure ini, and this indicates that there is a very strong potential for an uptrend. So selagi kita tak buat change of character, which I think would be here, this key structure right here, selagi kita tak break ke bawah sini, dan selagi itulah kita masih dalam keadaan uptrend. Let's take a look at our volume profile. Okay, our volume profile pun telah test right on the value area high, which is extremely good. Saya selalu cakap, kalau kita gagal untuk maintain dekat atas sebuah range, then it's possible we could masuk balik range ini, dan bila kita masuk balik range ini, there is a possibility of a range reversal di mana kita reverse ke bawah the opposite side of the range, which is 90k. So seeing that we have bounced on the top of the value area high of the top of our range, right, and it looks like we have made a key structure here, a new low, higher low here, this would be a very important level to defend kalau kita nak sambung naik. Okay, so 100k I would say is the key structure to defend kalau kita nak teruskan bullish. Okay, so that is for Bitcoin. In terms of levels to look for on the downside, 100k is very important. If we pull a Fibonacci, let's see. Fibonacci, if we do pull back, point of control right here, 618 96k will also be a very powerful level to take a long position from, sebab 618 for now lines up with our point of control. Now remember, point of control ni boleh bergerak mengikut volume. So but for now we're lined up very nicely with the 618. So if for some reason ada sebuah pullback yang besar, okay, ada sebuah pullback 10%, then 618 level would be a good place to look for a long position. But for now, it looks like we have defended this range quite nicely, and it looks like we have potential to continue up. Okay, so since Bitcoin sedang naik, right, it's important to look at the Bitcoin dominance. What is it doing? And for now, Bitcoin dominance has been going up. Okay, so Bitcoin dominance naik, Bitcoin pun naik. That's why kita nampak not a lot of altcoins sedang pump, right? A majority of altcoins are still sideways. Ada yang menunjukkan sedikit kekuatan, strength, but because Bitcoin masih maintain dominance di seluruh crypto market, dia tak memberi ruang kepada altcoin lain untuk bernafas dan pump. Okay, so this is actually a bullish indication sebab Bitcoin naik, Bitcoin dominance pun naik. Right now, Bitcoin dominance sedang berjumpa dengan mid of this range right here. So there is a possibility kita akan reject dari mid range sini and come back down. Saya nak tengok dia break out dari range ini dan sambung ke bawah to the levels yang kita pernah mark banyak kali sebelum ini. Okay, so this is quite a bullish indication. It shows that the market has some strength, right? Altcoin tak junam. Okay, what we want to wait for now is a drop in Bitcoin dominance. Biasanya akan berlaku bila Bitcoin mula consolidate sedikit. Lepas dia pump, dia consolidate, itu memberi masa atau memberi chance untuk Bitcoin dominance jatuh dan memberi chance kepada altcoin lain untuk naik. Okay, so what altcoin should we keep an eye on? So one of them, before I get into that, I want to show you guys ENS. Okay, saya telah share trade ini kepada you guys dalam video sebelum ini. If you guys had entered, right, look at this entry. Look at this entry. You guys dah dapat profit yang agak mantap lah, right? Yang agak mantap. Okay, 17% profit on ENS. ETH5, right? Dia telah drop all the way into our golden pocket, yeah, and bounce about 12% profit right there. So two very good trades yang saya telah share dengan you guys. The next trade, grass agak lemah sedikit, but as I mentioned, we could deviate out of this zone, dan kalau kita keluar range ini, this would be a level that I look for another potential long for grass. Okay, also saya telah enter sebuah trade on Jupiter. Since Trump telah launch coin dia di Solana, I see that maybe there might be some strength in the Solana ecosystem. So I've entered a long position on Jupiter right here. Another trade yang saya nak share dengan you guys ialah ini, OM. Okay, so look at what OM has been doing. We have been consolidating for very, very long. Sangat-sangat lama kita telah consolidate macam ini. And I want to show you guys, bandingkan chart ini dengan H-bar. Okay, bandingkan chart ini dengan H-bar. And take a look at this MACD. Okay, tengok bila daily MACD telah cross, that's when we got a big pump out of this consolidation. Right? Looking at OM, we may have the same exact setup. Except, let's look at the 2-day MACD. Okay, we are still coming down. So, apa yang saya nampak, bila MACD on the 2-day or even the 1-day cross dan menjadi bullish, that is where you will want to look for a long position on OM, because this chart is showing a lot of similarity kepada H-bar. Okay, there's a lot of similarity to H-bar, and H-bar telah pump very, very nicely. So OM is something you should keep an eye on to get a big pump from this position. Okay, another thing I want to tell you guys is Ethereum. So Ethereum, okay, Ethereum, saya telah tambah kepada position saya, right? I've added to my position bila kita sentuh 618, dan saya nampak Ethereum sedang menunjukkan kekuatan. Kita dapat maintain atas support level ini, and I see that we have potential untuk naik kepada previous high, okay, for 4.1k. Alright, so right now what I'm considering is I may even double down on this Ethereum trade. Maksudnya saya mungkin akan tambah lagi kepada Ethereum trade ini sebab saya nampak ada potential untuk teruskan fly. Tambahan lagi, bukan saja chart ini yang saya suka, tetapi data menunjukkan Donald Trump sedang membeli Ethereum. So again, they may know something that I don't know. I'm just going to play on the fact that they are smarter than I am, dan saya hanya akan ikut apa mereka sedang buat. Alright. So I like this chart. I like what I'm seeing in the news for Ethereum. So there is a possibility saya akan double down dan enter, besarkan position saya di Ethereum. Untuk Solana pula, right, Solana telah pull back pada 0.5. Saya tak sempat entry, but what I can see now is kita sedang consolidate. Okay, kita sedang consolidate. Dia tak berjaya buat high baru. So look out for a range. Look out for a range on Solana. Okay, bila dia buat sebuah range macam ini, what we can look for is a potential deviation out of the range, dan di sini kita nak cari sebuah entry. So for now, Solana dia dah pump, bagi dia chance sikit untuk cool down, untuk relax and look for a good entry. I would say we may even get a deviation to the 618 level 216 USD. Okay, so Solana saya belum re-entry lagi. We had a very good trade from Solana, tapi saya belum re-entry. For now, what I'm looking at is I'm looking to add to my Ethereum position, and I'm also looking at this big OM trade on the daily time frame. So those are a few setups that I'm looking at personally. Jangan follow apa saya buat. This is very, very high risk trading. Okay. Lagi sekali, we are having a Pionex deposit bonus, guys. We are having a Pionex deposit bonus. So, limited time untuk new user dan juga existing user dari 1 hari bulan, 15 hari bulan hingga 24 hari bulan. Ada 4 hari lagi you guys boleh deposit dan dapatkan futures grid bonus, which is bonus yang you guys boleh guna untuk open sebuah futures grid bot, and the profit you guys boleh simpan. Okay. So, make use of this limited time deposit from Pionex. If you guys belum ada account, saya akan letak link di bawah. You guys can open your account with Pionex. Bila you guys open account, you guys akan dijemput masuk kepada the Kyzen Crypto Academy. Of course, tekan link di bawah untuk join Kyzen Crypto Academy. You guys akan boleh PM saya dan saya akan onboard you guys. Okay, saya akan membantu anda open account dan masuk kepada Kyzen Crypto Academy, di mana kita boleh belajar bersama-sama A to Z cara trade crypto, all the strategies that I use, and also get access to all the trades that I'm looking at, and also an access to this extremely amazing community of crypto traders. So kalau you guys berminat, tekan link di bawah. Itu saja untuk video kali ini. Jangan lupa like, subscribe. Let's try and reach 11,000 subscribers as fast as we can, sebab saya sedang lawan dengan muras. Saya sedang lawan dengan muras. Maybe saya akan cerita pasal competition yang saya ada dengan muras di video seterusnya. Itu saja untuk video kali ini. See you guys in the next video.